ground circuit is strangely quiet as the crew getting into orbit at deorbit attitude, some 3 minutes, 12 seconds away from deorbit burn. We'll leave the circuit open for any conversation.
Mark, 2 minutes. You're looking good. Roger. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Retrofire.
Ignition confirmed. And we've had cutoff confirmed. And tracking out of Hawaii now shows the height at 163 nautical miles, velocity 25,198 feet per second and dropping. Energy predicted at minus 4.2 miles. Mark. Beginning of blackout. As some 2 minutes away from drogue deployment, drogue chute deployment. 19 nautical miles altitude. Reported that the Guadalcanal crew did hear the sonic boom as the Apollo 9 spacecraft came into the atmosphere. Main chute should be going out at this time. Recovery 3 helicopter has visual contact. And it's visually in sight from the carrier. Big chair went up here in the Mission Operations Control Room as they saw it on the tube. Estimate now 3 miles from the ship. This is Apollo Control. Splashdown time 53 seconds past the hour, which is some 10 seconds later than the predicted splash time of 43 seconds past the hour.